Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. So today's our topic is the use of AI in predictive maintenance for industrial machineries. So let's talk about the maintenance of them. So simply we can state that in that we can say that these are the things by which we get the acknowledgements, by which we get them without being noting, without being things. So, by processing this data in real time, AI systems can provide the identities of them by which we can. So, by processing this data in real time, AI systems can provide the things. Predictive analytics AI models can be things, usage patterns, and other relevant factors. These predictive analytics helps organizations, helps maintainers as well as. So, conditioning. So, in real time, by analyzing sensor data, AI algorithms can detect early signs of wear and tear, abnormal vibrations, or other indicators or potential malfunctions, allowing maintenance. So, by analyzing sensor data and a historical maintenance record, this capability streamlines the troubleshooting process, enabling maintenance teams to quickly address issues and minimize downtime. Prescriptive maintenance, in addition to predicting failures, AI systems can recommend the most effective maintenance actions to optimize equipment as well as the things we can say that these are the things by which we can simply state it that by considering factors like all of these things, by considering so integrations like AI productive maintenance solutions can integrate with existing connects, integrates with the things like others. AI algorithms can continuously adopt them. AI algorithms can get the acknowledgements of them, improve efficiencies of them. Moreover, we can say that it can leverage machine learning techniques by which we get the acknowledgements of them. So, improved asset availability and enhanced operational efficiency as AI technologies continue to advance, predictive maintenance solutions will play an increasingly critical role in helping industries optimize their maintenance strategies and maximize the values of their assets as well as. So, hope you like this video. See you next.